Hello. Today we're gonna actually talk about the variable. So variable is everywhere in any languages. So if you see over here, variable is nothing but you can think about some kind of box that you can save some value in it. So let's look at this one. So very first line, it is using the input function that actually prompt that what is your name, right? And then whatever that it actually comes out, which is the user actually type, that will be actually assigned to the variable name. And then what you're gonna do is we're gonna actually use the print function that will actually concatenate with the here is my name, comma, and then plus whatever that the user has been selected. So if I run it, right, then let's see how it goes. Yeah, somehow this one is installing. Okay, here we go. So what is your name, right? So if I just put my name, June, over here, so what I happen is that is the input function will be actually return some value, which is the June, right? And then that June, which is string type, is saving an variable name. And that name will be usable in anywhere in the code, okay? And then that name is actually replaced by June, and then they will be actually concatenated with the here is my name. Got it? And then the one thing that you have to remember is whenever you actually create the variable, it has to be meaningful. So something like I'm actually getting my name, right? So the name should, the variable name should be the name, right? Not like something A or B or etc., right? So if you do that, then what happens is once you actually start working together with the other developer, they don't know what you're actually referring to. So if it was like XYZ, then they don't know what is this X, right? So it is really great. It is really important that you need to keep set the meaningful name. So that's the one thing. And then in Python, you can actually assign the multiple variable with a comma. So in this case, if you see the x and comma y equal 1 comma 2, right? So what it means that is 1 is going to be assigned to the x, and then 2 is going to be assigned to the y. So let me just print out, right? So let me just comment this part and then run. So as you can see, the print x is actually printing the 1, and then print y is actually printing the 2, right? So the other way you can do is you can actually just assign sequentially. So what it means that is it actually starts from the y equal 1, and then whatever that value in the y will be assigned to the x. So it will be actually showing the exactly same value, right? So it'll be like 1, which is the set it to the y, and then y is actually set it to x, which is like 1, right? So the last but not least, we can also do the concatenation. So concatenation is something that if the type is the same, then you can actually either calculate it, or you can just add together. So in this case, this is number. So number plus number is always actually providing the number. In this case, the type is integer. So 1 plus 2 is always 3, right? So whatever that is an integer. And the float is the decimal point. So you can put 1 plus 1.5, which will always actually returns the float. So let's see. So once I keep run it, then as you can see, 1 plus 2, which will actually return the 3. In this case, 1 plus 1.5, which is actually returns the 2.5, right? So finally, the one more thing is like a string plus string is always return the string. So in this case, the hello is a string, and then the word is string, right? So in that case, what you actually expecting is the string will be add together, and then it will be just printed. That's it. We gotta just learn variable. Thank you.